Hey, it's the Tech Turtles here with my first video, and today I'm going to show you how to change the location to which your screenshots are saved. So as of right now, if you take a screenshot, you probably know it will simply land in your on your desktop. So what you're going to want to do to change that is first of all create a new folder. So do that by doing Command-Shift-N or with a folder you already have. And once you've done that, simply open terminal, so by using the spotlight search or by locating it in your application folder. And then you're going to want to enter the command line that I will be putting in the description. And then just dragging and dropping the folder to which you want to save it to. So for my case, I'm going to drag this folder to the terminal. So once you've done that, click enter and then enter the second command that I've put in the description. Just like that, and then that's it, it's done. So if you take a screenshot like that, well, boom, it will be in your screenshot folder. Alright, and that's it for this little tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please leave a like, subscribe if you haven't already, and see you in the next one.